Skrill Refund 2025, your quick guide to reclaiming your cash. Whoops! Sent your digital cash on an unintended adventure. Don't you worry, getting a refund on Skrill is often simpler than you think. Here's the 2025 essential no-fluff guide to get your money back where it belongs. The golden rule of Skrill refunds. First, remember this. Skrill is the middleman, not the shop owner. For completed payments, your first and most important step is to contact the person or merchant you paid. Skrill secures the transaction, but the seller holds the key to the refund. Step 1. Contact the merchant, the diplomatic approach. This is your express lane to a refund. Be swift and clear. Reach out to the merchant or recipient as soon as possible. Provide proof. Have your transaction details ready. You can find the transaction ID in your Skrill account history. State your case. Politely explain why you need a refund, e.g., wrong item, service not rendered, accidental payment. Most businesses want happy customers and will process your refund directly back to your Skrill account. Easy peasy. Step 2. What if they don't respond? Raise a dispute. If your diplomatic mission fails and the merchant is unresponsive or uncooperative after 7 days, it's time to bring in the cavalry, Skrill's dispute resolution team. Log in. Access your Skrill account. Find the transaction. Go to the transaction section and locate the payment in question. Initiate dispute. If the transaction is eligible, you will see an option to raise a dispute or report a problem. Follow the on-screen instructions to make your case. Skrill will then step in to investigate and mediate the issue.